How to fix battery unknown part on iPhone. So if your iPhone says unknown part or important battery message on your iPhone, then what you need to do is you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You need to open up your settings, and from the settings you need to scroll down and go with general, and under general you need to just simply scroll down again and then go with transfer reset iPhone, and then tap on reset and reset all of your network settings. After resetting your network, you need to go back. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then under General, you need to tap on About. From About here, you will have an option of Parts and Service History. If you find the Parts and Service History, then you need to just simply tap on it, which might be right there in the middle of your screen. And then here, you need to just simply go with Battery, Restart, and Finish Repair. You might find that option. You need to just simply go and restart and finish the repair. Once done, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to just simply go and restart your device. After restarting, your problem might be fixed. Or if you're unable to finish the repair with the repair assistant, then make sure that your device is connected to the internet using a stable Wi-Fi connection, and make sure that your device has more than 20% battery, and restart your device and try the following steps again to finish the repair. Make sure the battery is installed correctly, and do a replacement battery from a third party supplier. Not every third party manufacturer can guarantee the successful completion of repair assistant. Although you may have finish repair option, you just need to simply go with the battery and finish repair. You need to tap on it and then it will repair your battery. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.